Hey guys, okay, so I've already done one of the eyes. I'm just gonna do it on the other side and show you guys how I got this. The Juvia's Place, the blue shade. It's like the darkest blue. I'm gonna pretty much go all the way around in my crease with the darkest blue. And I'm not worried about fallout on my cheeks because I'll do foundation and everything after. I did set my eyes with a little bit concealer because I usually, after doing my brows, I'll carve out the brow and cover my lid to have like an even canvas to work on with the shadows. And then they also come out more rich as well, even though this one looks a little patchy, but it's getting there. So I'm pretty much just darkening it up and just adding more blue, any of the darker blues, before we go in and blend the corners with lighter shades. So that's like good enough because I'm going to be cutting it. I know it got a little messy, but that's okay. These top two colors. So you're just going to have to keep blending, just keep going over. So I went a little bit higher with the darker blue than I did on this eye. So I'm just going to go a little bit higher and apply it just in that little corner. I'm going to take the lightest shade of concealer I have. I'm going to pretty much just give it a little bit like a line at the top to give it that halo effect. So I kind of like extend my eye, kind of raise my brow and make sure that I'm not creasing. It's okay if it's messy. Okay. I'm gonna take this lightest blue shade. I'm gonna go back in with just the brush that I used for the darkest blue, just to go in the corners there. Do you see how like it just makes it look all blended? Well, I'm sure you've seen 30 million videos on it, so, but on that technique. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go over. You can like change the shape, you can make it more V'd in, however you want it. Mine's like wide and messy, so we'll keep it that way. Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and I'm taking this blue, and I'm literally and then I'm just gonna tap it over top of the silvery blue. This looks a little wonky, but it's okay. With time, I'm sure I'll get better. With time and more practice. So see, I had concealer there, so it's like stuck on, so it's fine. I won't take dark blue shade that I used. I'm gonna use it for my lower lash. And I just use the brush pretty much right in between my waterline and on the lash part to get it like a tighter line. I could take the lighter blue shades, just very tiny, like tiny bit, dust it off, and then just go over. I'm gonna take the Anastasia Nicole Guerrera. I'm gonna mix these two, Forever Lit and Forever Young, for my inner corner. Okay guys, this is the final look. I just did my face and I did the lips. I used Jeffree Star. I used two of the shades. I'll list them in the description below. I put lashes on, put sugar pearl lashes. Yeah, so this is the final look.